Hello class, today I am going to teach about the subject Commercial Maths class 11 chapter 2nd and its part 4. The name of chapter is Proportional Part and Partnership. Today we will solve another question of exercise 2a. The question number is 5th. Divide rupees 777 amongst A, B and C so that A get half of B. A get half of B and B get half of C. We have to find out the value of A, B and C. According to this question, the C is the smallest number. Let the value of C value of C is equal to X, and B get half of C. Half of C, that is a C is a X, half of C X upon 2. And another part and question is also said A get half of B. Half of B, we know that the B value of B, that is a X upon 2, and this is a B value, and half of B, it means upon 2. X upon 2, we reciprocal it, that is X upon 4. The value of A is equal to X upon 4. X upon 4 we write in ratio form A ratio B ratio C. The value of C is equal to X, B is equal to X upon 2 and A is X upon 4. Then we take LCM 4 upon 2, that is 4. X plus 2x plus 4x. We add it 7x upon 4. Sum of the A plus B plus C is equal to 7x upon 4. Total amount rupees 777 and sum of the proportional 7x upon 4. Then we have to find out the value of A, B and C. So how to find out A get is equal to A is X upon 4 and total is sum of proportional 7x upon 4, and we multiply it the rupees 77. We can write it X upon 7 and we proportion this the 4 upon 7x into 777. We cut it 7 1 the 777. Value of A get rupees 111. Similarly, B get, the value of B is X upon 2. X upon 2 upon 7x upon 4 is equal to 777. We can write in this 7x will be cut, 2 to the 4 and 7 1 the 7. 2 into 111, that is a 222. So B get rupees 222. Similarly, C get X upon 7x upon 4 into 777 X upon 7x into 4. X will be cut and 7 1 the 7. The C get rupees 4 1 the 4 for 444. The AB The answer is A get rupees 111, 200, 2022 and 4044. 400, sorry. 111, 222 and 444. A, B, C. Value of C. So we can easily find out the value of A, B, C. And then you have any doubt in any question, in any part, you can ask me question. Thank you, class.